good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. So today, got another sneaker review for y'all, another unboxing review, I should say, for y'all. And in my opinion, it's a cool shoe. It's a pretty dope shoe. You know, not one of my favorite releases this year, but it still got some nice details to it, nice little touches to it. You know, maybe you might like it more than me, maybe not. But if so, hopefully y'all enjoy this shoe. Hopefully y'all enjoy this review. So sit back, relax, man, and you know, watch me unbox the Air Jordan 6 Georgetowns. Alright, y'all, we back. You see the box. Real nice design in the box, in my opinion. You know, your typical winged box. A few retros recently have came with this particular box. So, you know, it's not nothing new. You've probably seen this box on multiple pairs of Jordans in the past. You know, nothing out of the ordinary once again. Just your typical Jordan winged box, you know. But enough about the box. Let's get into these sneakers, man. So, you got your black paper on the side, you know, nothing fancy, no special packaging, just the box itself. But the sneaker itself, in my opinion, it's actually a nice sneaker. Nice details, real nice suede, you know, not, you know, the hairy suede that you have on like the British khaki, you know, Travis Scott 6's, but it's still a decent quality, you know, suede. Now from pictures, when I first seen this sneaker, I personally thought it was gonna have like the same kind of nubuck material that the olive Travis Scott 6's had, but it's like like I said, like the British khaki, like a shorter British khaki suede, not as hairy as that suede, you know, not as long as that suede. But even still, it's still a pretty dope sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Your Georgetown colorway. So for y'all Georgetown fans out there, or even if y'all go to Georgetown College, this shoe, hey, this is for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Wear it to y'all games, the football games, the basketball games, man. Y'all support y'all school with pride, man. This is y'all pride sneaker. The 6's, man, the Georgetown 6's. Me personally, I love 6's. I think a lot of 6's look good, but this colorway, it's cool. It's a dope colorway. You know, let me get the lasers out of the way real quick. It's a dope colorway. You got some nice details too. I like the ice blue on the bottom, the blue jump man. You know, it's real dope. You know, jump man on the back, say Air, nothing's crazy, nothing out of the order. There's really nothing special that comes with it. It's typical, you know, no extra laces, no lace bags, just your 6's. You know what I'm saying? Just your typical 6's. Now, I can say that these might look okay with a blue lace swap, but me personally, if I were to rock these, I would keep the gray inside there. I don't know, you might want to switch it to blue, you know, that might look good for y'all, but me personally, I'm sticking with the gray laces if I were to rock these shoes. But I don't think reselling these is doing too crazy. They didn't even instantly sell out on like sneakers and like the Nike app. They still sitting in a select few sizes right now. So if you're able to get up, you know, if you go up a little bit late, you didn't get up on time, got on like sneakers, or you got on the Nike app or something, maybe even your local mall, they might even still be sitting on shares at your mall. And I noticed that recently, a lot of sneakers recently, a lot of these retros they've been dropping have been sitting, man. Like, they have not been instant sellouts. It's been a minute since a Jordan has been an instant sellout, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course, if it's like a collab or your hype beat sneaker, boom, them things gone instantly. Like, you know, they ain't sitting. These you might be able to catch these at the mall still, you know, if you go on release day. They might still be sitting there today at the mall, you know, whenever y'all watch this video, probably not gonna be there then, but, or it could be, you never know. A lot of these sneakers have been sitting for a few days, so it's a possibility at your local mall, these might still be sitting there. But I know here in my city, people went crazy for these shoes, man. They low-key, they love this sneaker, and I can see why. Like I said, it's a dope sneaker, got some nice details to it. Real nice. I like the, you know, the jump man area right here. I like it. It's a cool shoe. Not my personal favorite, but once again, it's definitely a dope shoe. I mean, if y'all watch my videos, you already know what my favorite release of the year is so far. A lot of people don't have the same opinion as me, and that's cool. That's how it should be. I don't want everybody to have the same opinion as me on what they like. Rock what you like. You know what I'm saying? Buy what you want to buy. Don't buy stuff because it's hyped up. Don't buy niggas that people talking about, oh yeah, this is the shoe to have, this is the shoe of the year, blah blah blah. If this is your shoe of the year, this is your shoe of the year. Buy this shoe for you. Buy it because you like it, not because Twitter like it, not because Instagram like it, not because TikTok like it. Buy this shoe because you like it. And that's the problem with a lot of people nowadays. That's probably why a lot of the shoes are also sitting nowadays, because people are saying, oh, well, it's not being talked about on sneakers. I mean, on Twitter, it's not being talked about on Instagram. So why should I buy this shoe if it's not a hyped up shoe? You might personally like that sneaker, but because it's not hyped up, you don't want to buy it. So what I gotta say to that is, man, buy what you like, rock what you like, man. If you like these, in my opinion, this is a dope shoe. Nice details once again, real nice packaging, a beautiful shoe. If you like this shoe, rock it, man. Buy this shoe. Once again, I don't see, you know what I'm saying, somebody trying to charge some crazy price for these, like $400, $300, something like that. Don't pay that, man. RESELL is not doing that right now for these shoes. They not sitting over like $250 maybe for this pair. So man, don't do nothing too crazy with these shoes. Don't be spending like no $400 for these. You gotta have, man. No, don't let people hit you over the head with no crazy resale prices for this sneaker, because it's not going for them kind of prices. It's still a decent amount. Of course, you're not paying the retail $200, but you still at the same time not gonna pay no $350, $400 for these shoes. I don't see that shoe. I don't see this sneaker in particular dropping up to that price. Especially since it's set on the app, you know what I'm saying, it's still sitting. So I see this maybe, you know, maxing out around $275, maybe $300, but anything past that, no, I don't think so. I don't see this sneaker going for nothing like that. But once again, man, like I always tell y'all, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I appreciate y'all for tuning into my channel, man. You know, keep on smashing that like button, man. Finesse that like button, man. Smash that subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Get my channel out there, man. You know, we almost at 200 subscribers. We getting there, man. We moving. This channel is moving. This channel rolling. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I wouldn't be one man with this channel right now if it wasn't for y'all watching my videos. So once again, man, I appreciate y'all for watching all my videos, man. Tuning in, watching to the end. You know, for those of you who do watch to the end of the videos, you know, I appreciate that as well. But once again, man, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video, y'all. Peace.